step into the Ford 2017 Explorer Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, BLIS plus inflatable rear safety belt package, Class 3 trailer tow package, equipment group 301A, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, premium audio system, Sony and radio data system. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.